Good morning, everybody. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Guess what we're going to do today? We're going to make a diffuser blend. Do you want to know why?
Yeah.
Because you have the sniffles, don't ya? You got something going on with your nose?
No.
Yes. Yes, Easton's got the sniffles today, so we're going to mix up a diffuser blend to help with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix 2 to 3 drops of each, lemon, lavender, and peppermint into our diffuser today. So I'm actually going to go get a cup of water. So Easton, why don't you sing a song? Can you sing a song?
No.
You don't want to sing a song?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So we're just going to fill up our diffuser with tap water. And tap water is best because it's got the minerals in it. So we're going to put in 3 drops of lavender, 3 drops of lemon, and 3 drops of peppermint. And this blend is great for respiratory support and when you get those seasonal yuckies. So we're just going to turn that on and diffuse it. And hopefully it helps with his little stuffy nose. Yeah. Do you smell it? Do you want to smell the peppermint? Yeah. All right. I hope you have a good morning. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.